Great day everyone! Welcome back to Ramz tutorial. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated in my latest videos. Today class, as I promised, we're going to continue to solve the following problem within dividing within hundreds. So please keep on watch my videos. We're going to divide. We have first here, dividing within hundreds. Actually, this is a continuation process wherein I promised to you. First is, we're going to continue from number 5. So this is number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's equivalent to 20 items. But as I promised, I'm going to continue and I'm going to show you how to multiply or how to divide within hundreds to check our answer. So we are going to use multiplication method. So number 1, we have 884 divide 4. Remember, 4 is our divisor and 884 is our dividend. I'm going to write dividend. Next divisor, like that. Okay, so we're going to start 4 divided by 8. That's our divisor 4. So we're going to write here our answer, quotient is 2. Next, we're going to multiply. Next, what we call step, 2 times 4, we're going to write here 8. The next, viewers, we're going to subtract it. 8 minus 8. So I'll put an X because this is 0. So I'll bring down next digit, which is 8. Tens place, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. So I'll bring down 8. Then we're going to continue to divide 8 to 4. The answer is 2. Then next step again, you're going to multiply. Then we're going to write our answer here. Then I'll put an X because this is 0. The next to bring down is 4. Next, divide to 4. The answer is 1. 1 times 4. The answer is 4. Let's subtract it. So our quotient is 221. Okay? So later we're going to check out through multiplication. But I'm going to, I think it's okay here. I'm going to check 221 times 4 because 4 is our divisor. So 4, 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4 is 8. This is actually class correct. 884 for number 1. Right? Okay, let's follow guys. Next given is 284 divide 2. 2 is our divisor. Let's just start divide 2 divide 2. We have 1 times 2. We're going to write the product here 2. Then we're going to subtract. Put an X because this is 0. Bring down 8. Next, number 2 divide by the divisor 2. So we're going to put our quotient here 4 times 4. We have 8. Subtract, that is 0. Bring down again 4. Then divide. So we're going to write here 2. Then multiply to our divisor 2, then the product is 4. So our quotient is 142. I'm going to show you 142 are what we call quotient times our divisor 2. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. 4 times 2, the answer is 8. 1 times 2, the answer is 2. 284. This is actually correct class. Okay. Next, number 3. 488 divide to 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract it. This is 0. Bring down 8. Divide 4. The answer is 2. 2 times 4. The answer is 8. This is actually 0. So next, we're going to bring down the next digit. This is in ones place value. Divide to 4, which is our divisor. We're going to write 2 here. The next step, multiply that. Write the product over 8 and then subtract. That is 0. So our quotient is 122. So we're going to check it. 122 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. This is actually correct class. Number 4. 369 divide 3. 3 divide 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract, that is 0. Bring down 6. Next, divide to 3. Our answer is 2. Times 3, our answer is 6. This is 0. Bring down again 9. Next, divide to 3. The answer is 3. Times 3 is 9. So, our quotient is 123. So, 123, I'm going to check 123 times 3, that was number 4. 123 times 3 times 3, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 369. This is for number 4. We're going to check it. So we have 369. Next, number 5. 848 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 0. Bring down 4. Next, we're going to divide 1 times 4 is 4. That is actually 0, class. Next is 8. Divide to 4. Next, 2 times 4 is 8. So our quotient is 212. We're going to check it. 212 times 4. 8, 4, 8. 848. It's actually correct. Next, 777. Divide 7. So 7 divide 7, class, is 1 times 7, class. Bring down. Then subtract. Since same number, automatic 0. I'll put in next. X is the value of 0. Next, I'll bring down 7. Divide, class, 1. So 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract is 0. Next, we're going to divide the last digit, which is 7. Divide here. The answer is 1 times 7. Our product is 0. So our quotient is 111. We're going to check it. 111 times 7. 777. This is actually correct. Next is number 7. 628 divide 2. 6 divide 2, class, is 3. 2 times 3, 6. Subtract. This is 0. Bring down 2. Divide 2 is 1. Times 2 is 2. This is actually 0, class, when I put in next. Please follow, guys. Keep on watching my videos. 8 divide 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. This is 0. 314 is our quotient. Let me check. 314 times 2. 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 628. This is our answer. That's the quotient. This 314, our quotient, when we're going to multiply, it check to our dividend. 884 divide 2. 8 divided by 2, class, is 4. Times 2 is 8. Subtract, class. This is 0. Bring down 8 again. Next digit to be divided. To 2, we have 4. Multiplied. This is 8. So this is 0. Bring down last digit, rather, 4. Divide to 2 is 2. Times 2 is 4. Okay, that is 442, our quotient, our answer. Let us check it. 442 to our divisor 2. So don't forget to do that, class, to check your answer whether it is correct or not. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8 again. So therefore, our answer, class, I'll put an arrow like that. Okay? Next is number 9. We have our number 9, 636 divide to 3. Okay, so next is we're going to divide 6 divide 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, that is 0. Next, bring down 3, divide to 3, that's 1. Next is we're going to multiply 1 times 3, our product is 3, so 0. Bring down 6 again, divide to 3, that's 2, times 3, that is 6, that is 0 class. So our quotient is 212. So we're going to check it. 212. To our divisor 3, we're going to check it whether our answer is correct. So 3, then 6. Okay, therefore class, our answer is correct. Okay, simply you're going to multiply your quotient to your divisor so that it will result to your dividend. If your dividend is different, that means to say your quotient is incorrect. Mali po yung sagot mo. Next is 824 divide 2. So as part to the highest position or the highest value, which is 8, divide to 2, we have 4. Then multiply that. Next step, 4 times 2 is you are going to write here your product 8. Then subtract. So I'll put an X because this is 0. Bring down 2 again. Then you are going to divide to your divisor. So I'll put the answer here 1. Next multiply. Then subtract. I'll put an X because that is 0. Bring down 4. Then you're going to divide to our divisor 2. So we're going to write here 2 times 2 is 4. So our quotient is 412. 412. Now we're going to check it. 412 times 2. 2 times 2 class is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 824. It's quite clear class. It's very clear for yung discussions natin about dividing within hundreds. So remember, all you have to think is that you're going to memorize the multiplication table or else skip counting method so that you can answer dividing within hundreds according to place value. Place value class, it's the positions of numbers within ones, tens, and hundreds. Hope guys, you understand and you learn from my ways on how to solve dividing within hundreds. So long class and goodbye, and thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Ramz Tutorial Blog. Bye-bye and God bless us all.